This big tractor is bringing trailer full of supplies to the farm. The driver sits high up in the tractor's cab. This helps him to see into the distance. Watch out! There's monster truck racing over the ramp. Monster trucks are so big they can crush a car. Lots of people are speeding into the city on the busy train. Trains run along smooth, shiny train tracks. This truck honks its horn as it waits to cross the train tracks. Trucks need to have a lot of wheels because they carry heavy loads. Look, a noisy helicopter is hovering high in the sky. Helicopters can fly in any direction, even backward. Look both ways. This sports car is driving down the road. These police cars are on their way to an emergency. The loud siren warns other drivers to move aside and let the police cars pass. A fire truck carries firefighting equipment such as a ladder, a hose, and a water tank. A dump truck can lift up at one end to dump out its load. This front loader is digging up the ground. Front loaders use their big front loads to move soil or rocks.